We all know doctors and nurses wear gloves as they work on saving the lives of their patients. However, did you know that this precious PPE that's meant to safeguard our healthcare forces might be contaminated? When contaminated, it can no longer protect our healthcare workers. How can this contamination happen? When gloves are taken out from a traditional glove box, sometimes other gloves may accidentally be dispensed together or dropped on the floor. If they are inserted back into the box, it will cause more contamination to other gloves. Research shows that 53% of healthcare workers' hands are contaminated with bacteria and 8.9 million healthcare-associated infections occur annually. This is alarming. So, how can we keep our healthcare heroes and patients safe equally? Introducing to you Goodpac Plus, a smart packing technology with a 100% fully automated interleave manufacturing system that dispenses one glove at a time, as intended, with cuff first. By utilizing the cuff first approach and enabling single glove dispensing, Goodpac Plus effectively reduces cross-contamination. Users can easily pull the glove cuff from the packaging and cleanly obtain one glove at a time. As a result, Goodpac Plus eliminates the risk of contamination to unused gloves, which may happen with the traditional packing method. With 100% automated interleave production, Goodpac Plus ensures that the gloves remain untouched by human hands in the manufacturing process. Our gloves are carefully packed one at a time so they do not stick together. This increases efficiency as donning gloves is made quicker, safer and easier. With the cuff-first approach and single glove dispensing, users will not face issues of multiple gloves coming out at the same time, which is a common problem of the traditional packing method, thus reducing wastage and preventing contamination. Besides, Goodpac Plus compactly packs gloves, enabling users to maximize storage capacity in healthcare or warehouse facilities to store more gloves in the same space. This also means lesser pallets and cartons are needed for warehouse storage. The Goodpac Plus packing system is essential to overcome limited storage in healthcare facilities. Now we can send more gloves in one container, and possibly reduce the frequency of shipments. Ultimately, Goodpac Plus effectively contributes towards reducing carbon emissions, enabling carbon-saving logistics for a more sustainable future together. With Goodpac Plus, we are able to revolutionize your glove dispensing experience. Together, let us keep our healthcare workers and patients safe.